Jail time, explained. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might pop up in newspapers, TV shows, or daily conversations. Jail time. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it correctly. Jail time is a combination of two words, jail and time. 1. Jail. A place where people are kept when they have been arrested and are being punished for a crime. 2. Time. The ongoing sequence of events taking place. In this context, it refers to the duration or period that someone spends in jail. When you put them together, jail time means the duration or period someone is required to spend in jail as a punishment. Understanding a phrase is easier with examples. Let's see jail time in action. 1. He was sentenced to 2 years of jail time for theft. 2. Avoiding taxes can lead to heavy fines or even jail time. 3. She served half of her jail time and was released on good behavior. These examples show that jail time can be used to describe both the duration someone is sentenced to and the period someone has already spent in jail. While jail time is a common way to express this concept, there are other phrases and words you might come across. 1. Prison sentence. More formal and generally refers to longer durations, especially in higher security prisons. 2. Time behind bars. A more informal way to describe jail time. 3. Incarceration period. A more technical term, often used in legal contexts. Understanding these synonyms will help you grasp similar contexts where the idea of jail time is discussed. And that's a wrap on jail time. Now, whenever you come across this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means. Remember, English is full of such phrases that, when broken down, become easier to understand. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.